2515 TYM tractor. This is just a 25 horsepower, and I've got an antique, probably about a 8-foot by 4-foot disc. We'll measure it hereafter. We've got this dry field of star thistle, and we're gonna see if it can pull through this stuff or not. It rained 2 nights ago, pretty good, but we are at the end of summer in California and it's hot and dry, and so we're gonna see if it can rip this field up and clean it up a bit with just 25 horsepower. It's a big looking tractor, but it does have a limited amount of work, so we're gonna see what it can do. So let's check it out. So after a couple passes, you know, this is what it did. So in general, I would say this is maxing out this tractor, the 2515H. Granted, it is a big antique disc. If you had a 3-point, maybe a 4 or 5-foot disc, probably work a lot better. Also, the ground is super dry. I'm not sure if that helped or not. I think if it was wet, it might have struggled a bit more digging in. But in general, to create a fire break for where we live, or just to clean up a field like this that's overgrown and just needs some cleaning, you know, it really worked. It did well. I'd recommend beet juice for the rear tires to give it some more weight back there. But in general, for 25 horsepower, it is quite a workhorse. So let us know in the comments what you think of this, what you think of the antique disc that we tried pulling with this. We have these in stock, the 2515H and 2515 gear models at Simply Country. So some of the deals we have currently on our 2515H is we have a 0% option, or we have a cash price option. Those are listed down in the description. So come in, check it out. We have tractor loader, backhoes, we have box blades, pallet forks, rotary cutters, flail mowers, rototillers, and many other things in stock ready to go. We also have trailers. If you're looking for a trailer to haul this around, we have those in stock ready for you as well. So come by our store, Simply Country in Rough and Ready, California.